This video is about how to connect the Montana sound unit to the Wi-Fi network. It's time to connect the Montana sound unit to the Wi-Fi network. It doesn't come with a password for your Wi-Fi network, so that has to be set up. Press the middle of the wheel. Select System Setup by turning the wheel to the bottom. It will display HDMI. Toggle again to select Wi-Fi. Toggle again to select Connect, in order to connect the Montana sound unit to your network. It will initialize and then display Wi-Fi C. To set up the Wi-Fi network, we have to load the settings from here, the iPad to the Montana sound unit. The Montana sound unit displays Wi-Fi. C to connect. In the connect mode, go to Settings. It's important to make sure that the desired network is chosen. We have chosen Montana Sound. Up pops Setup Air Speaker, and it has found Montana MSU. We select this, and the menu allows you to rename the speaker by doing this to access the keyboard. To exemplify, we'll delete this number and it says Montana MSU. Remember this for later. Select Next to start all the chips and computers in the Montana sound unit. They will initialize and copy the network password from the iPad to the Montana sound unit. In a moment, the Montana sound unit will be connected to the network, and we're ready to stream. When the sound unit displays Wi-Fi N, we're done. If you want to log the Montana sound unit onto the network and you don't have an Apple product, you can easily do it from your computer. The Montana sound unit must be in Wi-Fi C mode for Connect to create its own network. You access the network under Wi-Fi on your computer. Click on the top menu bar and enter 192.168.1.1. The Montana browser will pop up, and then select which network to connect the Montana sound unit to. Enter the password and press Apply. Now Montana sound unit links to the selected network. When Montana sound unit is linked, it will initialize in order to reboot the Wi-Fi module from 0. After initializing the various electronics, it will link to the new network. So instead of linking to Wi-Fi C, it will link to Wi-Fi network and thus display Wi-Fi N. In Wi-Fi N mode, you can stream music directly to Montana sound unit from an iPhone, an iPad, an Android, Windows PC, Mac, or whatever you have.